Most people have a personal Facebook account that they use to keep in touch with friends and family. But did you know that Facebook also has a professional version? Facebook Professional is designed for businesses and organizations to promote their products or services. If you're not careful, it's easy to accidentally turn on professional mode on your personal account. So if you are looking to turn off professional mode on Facebook, in this video, I will show you how. Just make sure to watch this video until the very end to learn how. First of all, let's open up the Facebook mobile application and then tap on your profile picture icon at the top left of the screen. Once you are on your Facebook profile, tap on these three little dots, and you'll see all these options. So from these options, simply tap on Turn off professional mode, and then tap on Continue. Now all you have to do next is tap on Turn off. And now you have successfully turned off the professional mode on Facebook. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.